Well, just when I thought things would be going better this year. Currently February 13th, 2021. Supposed to be going on a trip to Boise, Idaho via Southwest Airlines. I just got an email at 8 o'clock saying that our flight has been canceled, more than likely due to the weather that's striking the Midwest, mainly in St. Louis, because that's where we were supposed to be flying through. I can't change anything online, so I have to call the number with Southwest. I've been on the phone for over 2 hours trying to get a hold of somebody, and still no answer. So we're gonna have to find a good alternative, but I don't know what that's gonna be yet. Will somebody answer?
Thank you for calling Southwest Airlines. This is Tammy. How may I help you?
Hey, Tammy, this is Eric Sterniolo calling. I got an email at 8:06 p.m. saying that my flight was canceled.
All right, Atlanta to Boise flight was listed as canceled. Bear with me just a moment.
All right. I'm assuming it's because of the weather in St. Louis.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Let me take a look and see what is available. Let me see if there's anything available that we could move you to.
Okay.
It may not be tomorrow, but let me see what we've got here. First available is on Tuesday the 16th. That would be leaving Atlanta at 10:45 in the morning, change planes in Vegas, and get to Boise at 5:35 in the afternoon. That's the first, and there's only 3 seats on that Atlanta-Vegas portion. The next one would be 3:15, changing in Denver, getting into Boise at 10:05 in the evening.
Now we'd have to move it to what day?
Tuesday. That's the earliest possible Tuesday we would get out?
That's the earliest possible with 2 seats right now, yes, sir.
How long is the layover in Denver?
Yeah, so it would leave Atlanta at 3:15, gets to Denver at 4:40 on that one. And then you change planes and depart Denver at 8:05 and get to Boise at 10:05.
It's like a 4 hour.
So yeah, it's about a 4-hour layover in Denver.
About 3 hours, a little over 3 hour connection there.
Yeah. You want to do that?
I guess. It's...
All right, we'll do that 3:15 flight then.
Okay, perfect. So that's going to be Southwest Flight 5014 on the 16th of February, Tuesday, leaving Atlanta at 3:15 p.m., getting to Denver at 4:40, changing to Southwest Flight 2863, leaving Denver at 8:05 in the evening, getting to Boise at 10:05. Just one moment, and I'll get you switched over.
Okay.
Is there anything else that I can help with?
I think that is it.
All right. Well, thanks so much for your patience, and you guys have a great evening.
You too. Have a good one.
Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So
4 hours later.
you have a record of that phone call?
No.
I mean, when it shows up in your previous calls, it shows how long it was, right?
Maybe I do. Yep.
Yeah.
Look at this. 4 hours, 2 minutes waiting on the phone. It is currently 12:48 a.m. and we got our flight changed. We're going to Denver on Tuesday. We just subtracted 2 days. That sucks. Well, we're not leaving today at this point. It's now Valentine's Day. So we are going to fast forward to February 16th. We're going to the airport. Frozen.
I will. It's snowing in Georgia.
Snowing in Georgia.
And we are leaving the state.
We're going to the airport. stall in the far left lane stops every single freaking lane on Interstate 75. Go figure. Here we go. Ooh, right in front of the Florida Gator. I approve. Everybody else, bite me. Well, here's our trip itinerary. Number one, I'm not flying alone. This time I got me mama. We going to Boise, Idaho to visit some extended family. So we were supposed to leave Sunday. That got screwed because of Mother Nature. We were supposed to fly through St. Louis. It was a whopping 5 degrees as a high the other day. So they canceled all flights going to Lambert. As you saw, 4 hours on the phone trying to get that resolved. And here we are, 2 days later, we are flying through Denver to get to Boise today via Southwest. So let's get our stuff and get to the airport.
And we have a truck.
And we got a truck. We are in the midst of a pandemic. Mask up because of the coronavirus. I cannot wait for this pandemic to be over.
Okay, so your back seat.
Oh yeah, I need that.
Taking 2 suitcases.
Yeah, one's for you, one's for me.
No.
Oh, now, this is my spare stuff. You got everything?
Yep.
Now here's the sucky part. We're sitting here in 23-degree weather by the car, waiting for the bus.
I'm cold.
How you doing?
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Southwest, please. Thank you, sir. I forgot I have 2 bags. Let's get out of here. Oh, Lord. Please use other door.
I saw it in my periphery.
I totally was not expecting that. But at least we're early.
And we still have security.
Yeah, that too.
Yes. Well done, well done.
What?
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 Mr. Step aside, I'll leave your bag alone.
What? What'd I do?
Lift her back.
Oh, you want me to do it? Okay. I see how it is. Make me work harder.
Workless fellow.
Thank you. I like him.
You're making me work harder, man. And look at that, right at 50.
Please don't cut me. What?
You're the bomb. Treating your mama like
That's
that.
unforgivable.
I
You're a workless fellow.
should cut him out of the will.
I know.
Yes, you should. I'm sorry.
Balance of it to just give it to the pet.
And she deserves it more than anybody.
What? You're nice of it.
Thank you very much. Have a good one. Dear Southwest, give him a raise.
We have hopefully less than 15 minutes to wait.
And this is where the fun begins. Made it through security, no issues. I just hate that I bring so much stuff. You are so lost. I'm always afraid that I tend to hit my head coming off the train. Because I'm 6'3".
You're afraid you're gonna.
I'm afraid I'm gonna hit my head.
Oh. You did that low.
Feels like it.
Followed by 8:16 to 20. Once again, these are simple directions. I have to stress how simple it is. 8:1, 2, 3, and 4, followed by 8:16 to 20. Again, we're waiting till our boarding position and group is called before lining up for boarding. That's all I ask. Have a great flight. Visit select 8:1 to 8:4, followed by 8:16 to 20. You all are welcome to board. Hey, you know the routine? Let the flight attendant know general boarding when you get down.
Yes, ma'am. You good?
Yep.
Howdy, howdy. Wanted me to let you know general boarding has started.
Alright. General boarding.
Hi folks, welcome aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 5014. We are on our way to Denver this afternoon and on to Milwaukee. Folks, go ahead and choose any seat you like. Once you do find that seat, kindly step out of the aisle. Allow those people behind you to get by. We'll keep the boarding process moving for you.
Is this the seat you typically lose?
Typically. Meaning that we're right next to the engine. You'll hear that in a second. What I was gonna say was, we definitely weren't the first on the plane, but definitely not the last.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 5014 with service to Denver.
Bidding on a co-pilot from another flight.
In front of you or an overhead compartment, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Also, it's prohibited to consume alcohol that you may have brought on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts, smoking, and the federal mask requirements. So please remove any face coverings before placement on oxygen mask. Departure. Enjoy your flight. this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Denver. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seatbacks and tray tables in a full upright and lock position, and you carry your items completely underneath the seat in front of you. As the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please reconnect and adhere to another Southwest flight. Please check the TV monitors for your gate and flight information. If you are continuing on to Milwaukee, this is your aircraft. Please remain in your seat until you get the third count.
It's an old FedEx plane. An old FedEx plane.
Oh, that's right. The world. West. We have all the old, like, farms and old buildings, but it's casinos.
Oh, casinos?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But it's just cool. I mean, the architecture. So if you're not into the gambling, yeah. And it's kind of on your way, or up that direction. Little side.
Central City. I gotta put that in my notes.
Look it up.
Colorado casinos.
Yes.
I didn't know that again. I didn't even know it. I knew y'all had those dispensaries.
Oh yeah. That comparison was walking like a little grocery store. It also has a. Hi, how are you? Good.
All right, thank you so much. First one off the plane. That rarely happens. We are in Denver for 4 hours. It's going to be interesting.
That makes sense.
All right, I'm lost. Well, what we need to do is find our connecting flight, where it is. I don't know where the TV monitors are. I'm lost. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Boise, excuse me. C46.
805.
Keep walking this way. Yeah, they do. Alright, so my mom needs fresh air. We got nothing else better to do. So we're gonna go all the way to the terminal, go outside of security, get fresh air, and then come back to Concourse C through the security line. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Ooh, it's nice and chilly. Nice and cold, nice and cold. All of that just to get a view of pure nothingness. Oh, we can take our masks off. That is one plus. I have got to breathe. I forgot about that. But we should go see the sunset. Let's go find the sunset.
Other side of the airport.
Let's go walk to the other side of the airport. Oh, we can do it. All right, mask back on. Ooh. Well, before we go anywhere, my phone's about to die. I gotta get it charged up before we go through security. Found a plug. Oh, really? Fantastic. Ha, there we go. Update, that one didn't work. I'm in deep trouble.
Space between you and others when possible. Thank you for your...
It's a little update. Phone's on the charger. Got a little bit of a charge. It'll be good enough till we can get through security again. And there is literally nobody here.
Well, not on this side.
On this side. We're gonna
Play good music and
They do, and I hope I don't get a copyright claim. So we're gonna go back to security and go to our gate. There's one more thing that I need to do. Can you do it?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna make this quick. Okay, let's go. Oh, guess what? They had tornado shelters. Oh wait, you said that. You said that already. I forgot. I completely forgot.
Did you totally?
No, I totally forgot because you said tornado shelters, but I couldn't remember where you said it.
Tornado shelters.
That was easy. Almost getting shipped. That has to be one of the best security experiences I've ever had.
And I got patted down.
Oh, jeez. We almost got caught.
Evidently, I wore the wrong jeans. They have metal buttons.
So that flight that you just saw is going to Houston as we sit here at our gate, C-46, waiting on our plane to show up. It was supposed to depart at 8:05 p.m., now departing at 8:35 p.m. Whenever this plane shows up, we'll start boarding the plane. What's up? She likes Friends.
I love Friends.
Okay, she loves Friends.
Traffic to you from here. We're looking at a 2 hour.
So you think today's trip was crazy? Wait till you see the next one. It'll be linked somewhere down there when it releases. It may be a while from now.
My name is Kyle. I'll be your ops agent for this flight. At this time, we're going to get you guys ready to board.
Hey.
Hey.
What you doing?
Trying not to fall asleep.
Fall asleep?
My eyes are on fire. Contacts.
Alright folks, we are moving along here with our A group, A11 through 20 here for Boise. Welcome aboard. Alright, and the rest of our A group here for Boise, welcome aboard. A51 through 60, come on down. At this time, if you are extra time, heart-shaped stand passengers, A-list preferred, active duty, military, or family boarding. Please line up here in front of my boarding area and wait there.
Okay. Tell me what.
How you doing?
Good. Go Gators.
Go Gators. Thank you. Go Gators. That is
what, the 4th or 5th time somebody told us that today? Yep. And we're all the way in Colorado. What is up with that? I mean, I love it, but geez. I'll take it.
Everybody knows the Gators.
Amen to that. Thank you very much.
Gator Nation's everywhere.
I get a lot of crap for wearing this mask. I'm getting a lot of love today.
That's right.
Hello, hello. How you doing? Good.
Amber's my oldest dog. Anyway, their dog.
You can choose the aisle.
But I don't like getting the wings. You're sitting on the end.
Yes.
Mommy doesn't want to be with me. That hurt. You want your coat? You want your coat? Aww.
Or just feel that you do not want to perform this function system, please let us know right away so that we may reseat you. So that we may push back from the gate, please fasten your seatbelt. Ladies and gentlemen, we can have you for just a few moments. Cheers. Boeing 737 or 700 series, there's a safety information card, and that's the back and literature pocket. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat metal end into the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low, cross your hips inward anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward doors, 2 overflow exits, 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor will lead you to those exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight 10 commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest that's located underneath your seat. Remove the vest from the seat, from the pouch as directed on the safety information card. Then place that vest over your head. Wrap that strap around your waist, buckle in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, check those seatbelts fit and clear for departure. full upright and locked position. Make sure all carry-on items are completely stowed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin, leaving the air run your feet clear. Flight attendants are coming through the...
I heard something.
And on behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Boise. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Stay fastened tray cables in that full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items completely under the seat in front of you until the captains turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening up those overhead bins. We know you have a choice when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. We hope to see you again on a future Southwest flight. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, we do apologize for the delay this evening, and we hope to make it up to you on a future Southwest flight.
Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Bye, thank you.
Not there. Have a good night.
Hey, you too.
Mama, we made it to Boise, Idaho. I can check this state off.
supposed to stay on
Maybe hour and a half, 2 hours. There's nobody here.
Planes land here and come to rest.
Huh. It's funny. These signs don't have words on them. The directional signs. I'm used to having words on them. Oh, your glass is fogging up. Your glass is fogging up.
Every time I breathe out.
Oh, there's words.
Downstairs.
Yep. Oh, 50-pound bag, Mom. True that. Oh, first breath of air in Idaho. Good to be here. Well, this wraps up once Mom comes next to me. There she is. Our trip comes to an end after a long day of travel. Finally in Idaho. Thanks for coming along on the adventure. As always, make sure you click that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next adventure.
On our way home.
We'll see.